How to fix earphones, headphones not working on Windows 11. So if you want to fix the earphones or headphones not working on Windows 11, then first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with the system option and then scroll down and go with the about section. Under about here, you will have advanced system settings under your device specifications. Click on that option and you will get a new kind of interface. And here you need to go with the hardware option. Under hardware, you will have device installation settings. Click on that. And here, if it is selected no, then just keep it no. But if it is selected yes, then go with no and then go with save changes. And after that, you just need to simply go back and now you need to search for services, which is the search shape icon. Go with the services and here you need to select a service, which is performance, logs, and alerts. And ensure if it's manual or automatic. So you just need to simply do a right click on it and go with the properties, and under properties, if it's manual, then you just need to simply choose the automatic option or the automatic delayed option and apply and then click on OK. Once you've done that, now you just need to simply right click on it again and then go with start and start the service. Now once you've done that from manual to automatic, you also have to start the service. Once you've started, then the final step is to right click on the Windows and go with the device manager option. And here you just need to simply go with sound, video, and game controllers and simply choose the Realtek audio driver. So for example, I'll be choosing the related audio and just do a right click on it and go with update drivers and go with search automatically for drivers. And once you've done, now you just need to simply close it. And you can do that again with the other sound and videos. Go and update the drivers. Once you updated, now you just need to simply go back and it's done. You need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.